Right, this is where the bullet comes in handy. Now I can put the temporary bolt in there, just so I can bolt it all securely and drill the lower hole. Alright, so these guys fit really well. These guys fit just okay, and this distance between the two 3/16 hole, it should be the same as this guy, is 1/8 inch off. So, and again, this guy has some tension in it, make sure it goes inside. So I'm going to remake these parts without holes in them, and then just transfer the holes from this guy. So this guy goes under here, so I'll position this well and make it go 90 degrees, and then just make brackets, clamp them in place, and transfer the holes. This way there'll be no discrepancy between the two. And I guess the lesson learned here is that some holes are best kept not pre-drilled, like this guy here. Okay, so now I'm gonna be remaking these fittings hole-less. So I marked the bend, use a square to mark it. Right, so this is where it's gonna go. Now I'm using a stubby carbide bit with a vice grip, because there's no access, just so I can scribe a minuscule dot here. So this is where I'll be drilling the first hole. Since my dot is very small and I want this to be very accurate, I'm going to use that super cool Veritas tool to punch the center. I have another video showing this, but the bulk of it is that you have this lens there, so you can see exactly where your point is. Then you remove this guy, and then you install this punch right there, and you hit it. Right, so this is really nice. So it's a nice fit. So now I just need to draw what the shape I want for the piece. Now I punched a number in there, just to make sure I put the parts exactly in the same position. So just so we can see it, it's in the lower right corner now. You can see the very slight bump. Now I can put it exactly in the center and remove the clear lens and transfer with the transfer punch. And then we get the really nice punch. I bought this Neil 90 degree drill in Oshkosh and it sure works wonder.